Hey fam, it's your girl Keitha. It's watch day. Watch my routine for my natural hair, guys. Okay, so first thing I'm going to be doing is I've already taken out the first braid and I'm just combing through my hair that you all can see there. And once I've done that side, I'll switch over to the other side and you all can actually see me taking that braid down. Okay, once I get that braid completely taken out, I'm going to go ahead and comb through my hair just like I did on the other side. I put it into sections and I use my big comb to carefully comb through. Wash days can be so tedious, you all, but it's something that everyone has to do. So I'm combing and combing. Yet another section and we comb through that. I like to start at the bottom. That's what I typically do and work my way down to the root. Okay, so I've completed taking the braids down, combing through section by section, and now I'm just carefully combing my edges into the rest of the hair. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to section the hair again, and we are going to start applying conditioner section by section. And the conditioner that I'm using on my hair today is Miracle Moist Conditioner by Aussie, Aussie. This conditioner is great, guys. So I often use it as a leave-in conditioner as well. So we're still working in that conditioner. We're putting it all in the hair now. And I know it looks like I'm handling my hair pretty roughly, but trust me, I'm not, I promise. Okay, so we've got all the conditioner in and we're just combing through. And guys, adding that conditioner to your hair, it really helps with combing through your hair. So that's why I like to condition before I actually wash. I like to get the hair completely saturated and moisturized before I start. I just went in with some more conditioner here. You can't put too much of that stuff into your hair. Trust me, it really, really helps. Okay, you can see that my hair has been completely moisturized and conditioned. I had to go wash it, and of course I did not share that part with you all because I did it in the shower. You couldn't come there. I'm now drying my hair because I've completed the wash. So we're just towel drying the hair. And I don't know why I keep shaking my hair like my hair is shoulder length. Okay, so after I finish the towel dry, drying my hair with the towel, I'm going to go in with my detangler brush. After I put in more conditioner. There we go. Adding more condition to the hair after it has been washed. Moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. Cannot say that enough. And I do this to the feel, the texture of my hair. So I can't tell you how much conditioner to use. You see I'm going in with that detangler brush. I'm telling you, that conditioner makes all the difference in the world. Trying to get that end part detangled. Having a little bit of a challenge there. So why not? Let's add a little bit more conditioner. Why don't we? Massage that into your ends. Voila! Now we can run our fingers through. Okay, now I'm going to section my hair. I'm going to apply a different type of conditioner. This is the Cantù Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. You'll see that I'll section it into 2 parts using my finger, and then I'm going to start my 2-strand twist. And I'm going to show you all a few of those on camera. Okay, we're going to do 2 on the other side. Add our conditioner. Part the hair using my finger. And we're going to do 2 twists on this side as well. And then guys, I'm going to show you me doing twists on the very top of my head. I'm going to do two strand twists there. And as you all know, if you've been following me, that is one of my problematic areas. But I'm going to show you all me doing my 2-strand twist at the top in just a moment. And once I get there, if you haven't watched my videos before, you'll clearly be able to see that that is indeed one of the problem areas. And there I am, applying more conditioner, combing through the hair. For some reason, I chose to do the part with my comb this time. Okay, we're going to start that 2-strand twist. I guess I should have sped this part up. A lesson learned. Still new in the game, y'all. So I'm learning as I go. And hopefully I am not boring you all. So there you see me going in with that second one on my top. At the top of my head. And then I'm going to go. You all won't see me do the rest of it. I'll come back when I'm ready to do the very last twist. And that won't take very long at all. Okay, just finishing up that last twist at the top. And I like to twirl my ends. I'm trying to show it here. I don't know if you all are able to see it, but that's what I do. Okay, so now we're doing the very last section, the very last 2 strand twists. Twist, 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 and then we twirl the ends. Alrighty, last twist has been completed. What we're going to do now is we are going to go and moisturize my scalp, and here I'm applying my wild growth hair oil. So I like to put that on my scalp and just rub that into my scalp, and I do that every morning, guys. So of course I will be doing it after a fresh wash and condition. Okay, my last step is I'm going in with my Silk Infusion. You just need a little bit. Put it into the palm of your hands, and then you're just going to massage it or rub it into your braids. That gives your hair a nice shine. And now I'm just going to show you all what it looks like. Guys, thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. My channel name is Keitha T. That's Kiethat. Be blessed.